preheat your oven. You're gonna need about 5 ounces of chopped walnuts, a box of minute farfalle pasta, 4 cans of hearts of palm salad cut or artichoke hearts, a jar of sun-dried tomatoes julienne-cut, a jar of olives with pimentos, sliced preferably, and 2 balls of mozzarella pearls. You're also gonna need some mild banana peppers. You're also gonna need a jar, about 6 ounces of pesto. Walnuts going in the oven at 822. Okay, so in a large mixing bowl, I love the ones by Pampered Chef because they have the plastic silicone bottoms. You're gonna put in your hearts of palm that you drained. I drained mine with this nifty little gadget. You're going to chop up the mild banana peppers for like 3 seconds in the twist and chop, or you can chop them up by hand. Then you're gonna throw in the entire jar of olives, sun-dried tomatoes, and pesto. They're nice and toasty. We're gonna let those cool. Still waiting on the pasta water to boil. In the meantime, we're gonna mix this all up and get it ready for the pasta. The mozzarella you add at the very end. Go ahead and prep your sink. Rinse out your sink and put your colander in there so that you can dump your pasta when it comes to a nice rolling boil. So we're gonna throw that in there. And I think it says 7 minutes. Once you've mixed all the olives, hearts of palm, sun-dried tomatoes, and pesto together real well, you're going to grab your nuts and put them in there. Drain your pasta. Rinse your pasta with cold water to stop it from cooking. Dump it in the mixing bowl. Then you're gonna wash your hands really well and break these up at the very end after you mix the pasta in with this. Okay, so I broke up the mozzarella pearls and now I'm just gonna stir them in there very gently. And then I'm gonna pop the lid on it and stick it in the fridge until this afternoon.